Good morning, everyone. How y'all doing on this beautiful fall morning? I think it's the second or third day of fall. And when I woke up this morning, it was 58. Sorry about my dog. It was about 58 degrees. We have had unseasonably cooler weather the last week and a half. I've been enjoying it so much. I'm not ready to put fall annuals in any of our beds yet because after today, I think it's supposed to be 99 and 97 for about a week and a half. So I'm still kind of want to hold off until we can get away from those higher temperatures. But today, I want to take out the geraniums that are in these containers that are on each side of the bench right here. I have two boxwoods near my front porch, and the containers that they're in, they're pretty shallow. And they've already been in there a few years, so I kind of like to have them here and let this be their permanent home. And then I will put some violas around the edge. These violas, all of our spring annuals, once we get them in the ground, they can last us till about March, April. So once I get them all in, the weather is nice enough that it'll last that long. So I'm going to put some violas around the edges of the boxwoods, and then I wanted to give you an update on the Dracaena that I pruned and planted. So let's go out front, grab the boxwoods, and then we'll start planting. Now to my Dracaena. I am so happy that when we trimmed this, I think I only had two original plants that I had left intact. The others, I had cut off and transplanted. So I think I have, of the two, 5 additional that have come up, and I'll make sure I zoom in. And then off to the side, I have 2 more coming up. So this is, for me, as far as trimming it off and having it push more growth and not be so leggy and have more growth down here, it's a success. And I'm so glad that I still am able to keep it 30, it's over 35 years old. I know that for sure. Probably closer to 37. But anyway, now to the ones that I cut off. Of the 4, and you'll notice that I originally had them in 2 different pots. When they started not doing well, I thought, well, let's just group them all together. And then all of a sudden, this happened. So I think I'm gonna lose for sure this one. These two look like they're starting to push growth in the middle. And because it's so hot here, I know that I become heavy-handed with water. I know I'm not the only one, but in my quest to make sure they're hydrated when it's 110, even though they're under the patio, I'm watering them, and I need to pull back on that because these really don't require as much water as I think they do. So all in all, even if I lose this one right here, I'm super happy that I did this little experiment. And actually, I have to say, when I thought that I was watering them too much, I pulled all these out of the soil and I just rested them on top of the container and just kind of let them dry out and let the soil dry, let the stems dry. And actually this one, I actually had to cut off the bottom because it got, it kind of rotted out. So I'll keep you updated. If you're on the fence on whether or not you should trim your Dracaena, I'm here to tell you that it will work. And I'll keep you posted on this one. You'll notice the violas around the boxwoods. I want this to be the boxwoods permanent home. And during fall or summer, I'll swap out some summer annuals. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you soon. Bye.